How can an attorney mitigate licensing ramifications in a DUI case? Attorney Aaron Bortel says, Number 1. Do not report the charges. If you have only been arrested, you are not required to report them to your board. But if it is a conviction, it requires it, unless you are in some type of an area where you have received a professional license that does require this. Probably the one that is the strictest are the pilots. That is, where if you do get convicted of a DUI, you are not flying anymore. Pilots are, from my experience, more of a warning dawn with less exceptions as opposed to others. Obviously, there are exceptions everywhere, and a great lawyer who is able to do everything and win the case will potentially be able to save your pilot's license. You are still dealing with a civil agency, and the burdens of proof is different. But in order of things, find the best DUI lawyer you can. Secure that lawyer and get a recommendation or recommendations for a civil attorney to deal with the medical or whatever professional license you have that is at risk. Listen to the instructions. It also helps that the DUI lawyer has some type of a past working relation with whoever the administrative attorney is going to be, because you know they communicate and they probably have a fairly open channel of communication. They probably talk fairly often, and as opposed to a lawyer who does not know the other lawyer, that can make it a little more awkward or just tougher for them to communicate. In regards to once you do have that administrative lawyer hired to deal with the professional licensing board, what you need to understand, there is a different burden of proof with the Professional Licensing Board avenue. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Aaron Bortel in San Francisco, California at 415-523-7878 or visit his website at www.bortelduidefense.com.